Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to increase chlorine in pool. Test your water first using a reliable test kit and note free chlorine and pH so you know how much to add. Add small doses of stabilized chlorine granules, allow circulation, then retest after 1 hour to avoid overchlorination. Adjust slowly until you reach the recommended free chlorine for safe swimming, and always follow product instructions. Measure your pool volume accurately and consult the chlorine product label to calculate the required dose. Convert the label guidance to your pool size and plan incremental additions rather than one large dose. Add chlorine to deep water with the pump running, wait at least 1 hour, then retest free chlorine levels. Repeat this process until you hit the target, keeping records so future dosing is easier and safer. If chlorine drops quickly, investigate causes like sunlight, heavy bather load, or algae that increase chlorine demand. Perform a shock treatment with a non-stabilized chlorine product when combined chlorine or contaminants are present, then run filtration continuously. Inspect and clean or backwash filters to restore flow and sanitizer distribution. Keep an eye on stabilizer levels and replace.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.